Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning my daughter's room. It's so messy, so we're going to be cleaning it up. So these are all the clothes I bring out from the washer. It's dry, so I'm going to be folding all these clothes today and as well clean up this their messy room as well. It's not that messy, sha, but it's messy. So we're going to be cleaning it together today. So I'll be filming it and then all that together with you guys. So let's get started with the cleaning. So this is Eliana's bed. And this one is Ellery's bed, second daughter.
Wanna get to know you in every kind of way, but you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming.
So I just finished making all the bed, the both bed. So then I'm dusting the rug up. So these are all the clothes I'm going to be folding up today.
I'm just trying to break through, but you make it hard when you act how you do. 'Cause you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just
So I'm still here folding.
screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration?
So I'm done with the folding of the clothes and the rest of the things. So now I'm going to be putting it in the wardrobe. There's just so much left to say. Wanna get to know you in every kind of way, but you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration? I'm just trying to break through, but you make it hard when you
So I'm picking all the toys up. These toys are all scattered everywhere in the room. So I'm picking up now and arranging them in the toy baskets. Putting my daughter's shoe back in the wardrobe. So now I'm sweeping the room now. As you can see, I'm sweeping the room sharp. So I'm done with the sweeping now. I'm going to be putting in the Hello Kitty rug at the exact place I pick it up from or remove it from. So I'm putting it back there.
There's just so much left to say. Wanna get to know you in every kind of way.
So putting back this small rug back too as well. So I'm done with the cleaning and all now. I'm going to be drawing the blind as well. So I think I will be ending this vlog here. So please, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share my video and give it a thumbs up, and see you guys on my next one. Bye bye. The room is very, very clean. Bye bye guys. Bye.
I'm just trying to break through, but you made